Hello, this is Greg McIntyre with McIntyre Elder Law, helping seniors protect their assets and legacies. And I've got a big smile on my face today, okay? Because I'm talking about something I love to do, which is help people, especially if they're in tough circumstances, okay? We can do that. We're going to talk about special assistance and long-term care Medicaid. We're going to talk about those rules just a little bit. I'm going to quickly get those out to you so you know what they are. And I'm extremely happy today. I'm going to show you why. This is why. This is a certificate of graduation or certificate of awesome from the Comedy Arts Theater of Charlotte, North Carolina. To me, Greg McIntyre, for finishing Improv Fundamentals, Level 1. I'm going to take Level 2. It starts next Wednesday, but it's for exceptional performance and being bold and saying yes to improv. So I've been taking an improv class, and I graduated from the first level of that class last night. Very, very happy about that. But know this, improv is not just about comedy. Improv actually has, in a lot of ways, very little to do with comedy. It has to do with how you interact with your scene partner. It has to do with how you perform and play off of each other and eye contact and dealing with other people. So it's a lot about yourself. It's a lot about being in the moment. And it's exactly the opposite of what I would like you to do when it comes to estate planning and elder law. I would like you to take a second to get out of just this moment and to look at the future, what it may hold, and plan ahead, okay? We don't want to necessarily improv our estate plan or improv our long-term care situation. However, I've enjoyed taking that class. It's about self-discovery, it's about working with other people, and it has a lot of things that ring true about life. And it's amazing how funny actual, just even serious conversations are between people, especially if they're spontaneous, and what people say and what they do. It fascinates me, and I've enjoyed taking the class. Thank you to Kevin and everybody over there at Catch Theater. So, moving on. This talk is actually for people who may have improv their estate plan, or maybe in a situation where they are being really hurt by long-term care payments, by nursing home or assisted living care payments, and it's draining that bank account down really rapidly, threatening to maybe force the sale of real property, real estate, or even threatening to lose the home if someone passes and it's taken when it passes through the estate, because perhaps Medicaid would be rolled over too at that point in time. There are straightforward methods to save money and property, and we help employ those in those situations. We can help. I promise, okay? Well, we hope we can help in your situation, but I promise we've helped a lot of people in the past, okay? And let's start with Special Assistance Medicaid. Special Assistance Medicaid can pay for assisted living or assisted living with a memory care unit, special care unit, which could be Alzheimer's and dementia wing that's locked, okay? So people can't roam and or can't really get out and get hurt. Or hurt themselves. So Special Assistance Medicaid, the income limit is $1,248.50 per person, $1,548.50 per month per person for memory care. So regular assisted living, $1,248 per month, assisted living with memory care, $1,548 per month. And for nursing home care, that's long-term care Medicaid, that's different. Okay, we'll talk about that. It's a different set of rules. There's a 3-year look-back period for the transfer of assets for assisted living Medicaid under special assistance. And you can have one home and one car in your name and $2,000 as a single person. But you can get there a number of different ways. Ladybird deeds can be employed to save the house. And there are other methods that can save liquid assets like money and vehicles and pass those. And just to be clear, special assistance is for assisted living or assisted living with memory care. For nursing home Medicaid, that's under a program called long-term care Medicaid. Long-term care Medicaid has a 5-year look-back period for movement of assets, and assets just have to be repositioned or dealt with within the 5-year look-back period or outside of it. But if it's within the 5-year look-back period or 3-year for assisted living, then it has to be done within the rules. And we operate within those rules and work with social services across the state all the time. There's a 5-year look-back period for general transfer of assets. A Ladybird deed absolutely could protect your home and any surrounding property up to a value of $500 $572,000 this year. And in addition, you can use tenants in common deeds to protect other real property. And but there's more to be said about that. That's a little more complicated, so I would suggest you consult myself, McIntyre Elder Law, or another elder law attorney that just does elder law before employing any tactics. You can reach our firm at 704-259-7040 or at mcelderlaw.com/MCP just for this one. So mcelderlaw.com/MCP for Medicaid crisis planning, which is what we're talking about today, for improving and saving money in a pinch and really saving assets where you might not have planned ahead, okay? Where you're going to improv class on this. So you can protect real property, and there's more liberal protection for real property under long-term care Medicaid. 5-year look-back period, and it is for nursing home Medicaid. And you can't make more income than the private pay rate of the facility per month. There's not a lot of people out there who are drawing more than say $5,000, $6,000, $7,000 or more dollars per month. So just be aware that 70% of seniors over the age of 65 are going to need some type of long-term care during their lives, either in-home assisted living or nursing home care, and that you need to be aware of those special assistance and long-term care Medicaid rules, the differences, what they pay for, and how to protect money and property even within those rules and within those time limits. I would always advise planning ahead, not improving your estate plan. But if you have improved your estate plan, if you are in that situation where you need to activate care for a loved one, for a spouse, you're working on that, then call our office, 704-259-7040. We can help. We have an office in Charlotte. We have an office in Shelby, North Carolina, and we travel all over this region. So we're constantly in Asheville and those places as well. So up that way as well. So the western part of North Carolina is our domain. So please give us a call or go to our website, mcelderlaw.com. Read Saving the Farm. It's a great way to get familiar and acquainted with some of these principles and a little more in depth, or stay tuned for our other educational products through Elder Law University and McIntyre Education. Thanks. Have a great day.